Okay, hi guys. So this will be a quick video to show you what I've got planned for my rig build. Here I've got the drawing that I want to use. So I'll be using my current rig, and I'll just be mounting it on top of this rig. The reason for that being is it will allow me to decide in future what I want to do to upgrade, and I'll still be able to use my current rig. Meaning no modifications, and I can just use this rig and it'll be sturdy. So my problem is, besides the wiring, is I get a lot of flex in the rig itself. The only support that I have is this upright here and this upright here. So besides that flex, these two supports that are on the ground are loose, and it's quite a light rig, so it flexes quite a lot. Also, disregarding the bad welds, this piece of metal is the only thing that connected to the seat, so yeah, that's not a lot of support. So hopefully with these holes here beneath the seat and this one then running up here, I'll be able to mount them onto these two bars here, and then these two bars running here at the back and this one in the middle I'll mount on top of these here. And then in future I'll probably do some more upgrades, get some more modular assemblies to go up here. What I used for this is the 40 series. So the base itself will be a 4080 aluminium, and then these support will be just 40 by 40. So this piece here will be the mount for my mouse pad. I'll probably add a piece of wood or piece of metal, just to give it some support. It'll be nice and sturdy. And yeah, just put some end caps on it to make it look nice. I'll probably put on some casters. Everything will be connected with these corner brackets, and I've placed my order, so in future, once everything comes, I'll make a build video. If you've got any suggestions or any questions, feel free to ask. And yeah, thanks for watching.